This is a sterling lock, long shank padlock, 50 millimeter. This is a $4 padlock that I got from Goodwill, of all places. And this isn't a great lock by any means, but this has security pins in it. It has spools. So coming in, I got a click on one. Something at 2, a little counter rotation. 3, and 4. Click at a 5. Click at a 3. Click at a 2. Click at a 1. 1 might be set. Another click at a 2. Nothing on 3, 4, and it's open. It's not a terrible lock to get into, but I mean, compared to masterlock, you know, something like this with everything it boasts about the pin tumbler resistance to picking, this $4 padlock from Goodwill has spool pins in all 5 of the cores, or all 5 of the stacks. So I thought that was crazy, and I seen this lock at Goodwill, and I said, well, how good can a $4 padlock be? I have to know. And I mean, this thing's pretty beefy. This weighs more than an 1100 and a little bit less than the 5200 I have. So I believe it's steel. It does say hardened, but it's you never know with these things. It looks soft, so it's probably not hardened. Probably it's not a good lock, but I mean, comparatively, you can get a better lock for $4 than you can by buying a master lock.